Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered, when did all of this start? How did the universe come to be? It's a question that has fascinated humans for as long as we've been able to think about such things. Scientists have been trying to answer this question for centuries, and over time, they've come up with some pretty amazing theories about the origins of the universe. The most widely accepted theory today is the Big Bang theory. About 13.8 billion years ago, everything that makes up our universe was squeezed into a tiny, incredibly hot and dense point. Then, in an event called the Big Bang, this point started to expand. This wasn't an explosion in space, it was an explosion of space itself. As space expanded, it cooled, allowing matter to form and clump together to create stars, galaxies, and everything we see around us today. But how do scientists know this? They look at the universe like detectives, gathering clues to piece together its history. One of the biggest clues is something called the cosmic microwave background radiation. This is a faint glow that fills the universe, and it's like a snapshot of what the universe looked like just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. It's a bit like finding an old photograph of yourself as a baby, only this photo is of the entire universe. Another clue comes from the way galaxies are moving. Scientists have observed that galaxies are flying away from each other, which suggests that the universe is still expanding. If you imagine running a movie of the universe backwards, all the galaxies will get closer and closer until they all meet at that tiny point where the Big Bang happened. However, the Big Bang isn't the only idea out there. Some scientists have proposed different theories. For example, there's the steady state theory, which suggests that the universe has always existed and is always expanding. But new matter is continuously created to fill the gaps left by the expansion. This theory was quite popular in the mid-20th century, but lost favor as more evidence supporting the Big Bang emerged. Then there's the idea of the cyclic model, which proposes that the universe goes through endless cycles of expansion and contraction. According to this theory, the universe could collapse in a big crunch and then start over with another Big Bang. This idea is still being explored, and it's one of many ways scientists are trying to understand the bigger picture. Another fascinating concept is the multiverse theory. This theory suggests that our universe might be just one of many universes out there. Each of these universes could have different laws of physics and different histories. It's a mind-boggling idea, and it's still very much in the realm of speculation. But it's one of the many ways scientists are trying to push the boundaries of our understanding. The question of when the universe began is closely tied to our quest to understand the very nature of reality. While the Big Bang theory remains the most accepted explanation, science is always evolving. New discoveries could change our understanding of the universe's origins in ways we can't even imagine today. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember that you're not just seeing distant suns and planets. You're looking at clues to one of the greatest mysteries of all time.